Hi guys, I'm back with part two of how you can season in your meat in the Haitian way.
Wanna be great, yeah. Working, I wanna be paid, yeah. Every decision I made, yeah. I ain't never been afraid, nah. I'm always trying new things, yeah. That's how you grow and succeed, yeah. Man, you just gotta believe, yeah. So listen up while I proceed, yeah. Want a couple $100,000, like, yeah. Got a couple hundred plans, like, yeah. Man, I do it for the fans, like, yeah. I don't do it for the gram, no. Do it for the gram, no. Do it for the gram, oh, nah. I don't do it for the camera, I just do it cause I love it. Do it cause I want it, I can never get enough, yeah. Don't judge so quickly. Yeah, we all been guilty, and this life's real.
I use one tablespoon of Haitian épices.
I've been making tracks so I feel this way. Make them back to back or I'd go insane. Every single week it resets my brain. I will not retreat from doing my thing.
Next is lime juice, and I go ahead and use 1 cube of Maggi and mix them together. And I use a little bit of seasoned tropical. I add my peppers, my seasoned peppers and the sweet peppers, mix them together. This one I go ahead and add hot pepper, but it's optional if you don't like pepper, so you can skip this part. And don't forget to add your parsley or your don't forget to add your parsley.
I want a hook that is catchy. I want my life to be classy. Man, I just wanna be high. I've been like rolling, they loving my stuff. I've been like going and plays in the club. I keep on growing, they see me come up. I keep on showing them why they in love. Nobody knowing just how we came up. If we keep going, we're blowing it up. We keep on.
Now it's time to add your chicken in the seasoning liquid. All you have to do is just add them one by one and mix them. Make sure all of them is mixed in the liquid, and after, when you're done, if you have time, you can let this sit for a couple hours, but if you don't, go ahead and turn your stove on and let it cook, let it steam for 30 minutes, 20 to 30 minutes.
In my stuff, I've been like going and plays in the club. I keep on growing, they see me come up. I keep on showing them why they in love. Nobody knowing just how we came up. If we keep going, we're blowing it up. We keep on rolling, it's never enough. We in the zone, yeah, they falling for us, yeah. Don't judge so quickly. Yeah, we've all been guilty, and this life's real tricky. Just keep your head down with me.
That's all I have for y'all. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to share, like, and comment, and especially subscribe to my channel. And I have a lot of other videos coming up, so stay tuned.
Yeah, I've been making tracks so I feel okay. I've been making tracks so I feel this way. Make them back to back.